Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Suisun City local and long-distance movers near me. Our expert movers know how to make sure your long-distance move doesn't include all the worry. No matter how far you need to relocate, our expert team of movers can make it so much simpler. The right moving services make all the difference, and our team provides just what you need for your upcoming move. Along with loading, transportation, and unloading, our team also provide a lot of other moving services including packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. It's not always simple to justify the cost when hiring a California moving company. When you examine the main benefits you get, the cost might be much easier to handle. Any decent moving company will likely help you save time on your local move. It will also keep you from having to handle heavy lifting. Our crew of skilled movers will make sure your move is very efficient. Moving day gets simpler with 3 movers simply because we improve your whole entire move. Even when your move is big enough that it would take you all week, we can get it done in less than 1 day. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Suisun moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.